What's up, guys? What's going on? Krasnot here, and it's time for some Ludum Dare hot action. That's right, the hottest action that you're ever going to see in here. Let's go and do this thing. I believe it's in here. Yeah, so this is over there. Let me add a little extra text box. Hold on a second. Should we add a fancy font? That would be like that one. Or that would be like Black Sword. Oh, I dig that. There we go. Perfect. Put it right here. Like that. I'm trying to figure out where to put you. Maybe better to put you up here in this corner. Yeah. You're gonna go above me. There we go. Perfect. Then we'll move move the event list, and we'll move the other stuff down more. Where is it? On the sub stuff. There we go. Okay. An issue there. Interesting. Let's fix this filter. 585, 590. Better. Nice. So up there, over yonder, is EnchantedBrews, who is making the art for this game. And so you're gonna be able to watch her make art as well at the same time, which is kind of cool. So let's do this thing. All right, so what were we doing before I put the kids to bed? We made a world manager. That's right. Let's build this world manager out. I'm actually going to end up muting you, I believe, that way, or muting myself. That way, there's no slapback noisies. Perfect. Okay. Also, we need to add a move out command for the art. So LD, exclamation mark LD. Sweet. Boom, 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 boom. Boom there. 52's theme is artist. We're making a UFO cat harvesting game. Where you play the alien trying to take all of the cats. Follow the artist Twitch channel here. twitch.tv/EnchantedBrews. All right. Cool, cool, cool. So then we can just add now exclamation mark LD to the name of the chat of the stream title. There we go. So this should work. Sweet. Boom. Love it. All right. So let's build this instance out. If instance destroy. Okay. Cool. So now how are we gonna do this? We're gonna need a object array of buildings. Right? We're gonna need another object array of ground objects. We're gonna need another object array of what else is there besides buildings and ground objects? Oh, trees. Is that everything? Okay, and then we can do. We have to figure out a way to spawn the player too, or to spawn objects around the player, right? So I don't even know how we're gonna end up doing that, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so this. So then we need here. We need a float distance between buildings. Distance between ground objects, distance between trees. Oh, we need background stuff, right? Background objects. Same thing there. BG objects. Cool. Alright. So then we need to start building out all these things. Looks like she's building a mountain right now. That's cool. I dig that. Alright, I'm back. You missed me, I know. Okay, so. Alright, so we have mountain objects, we have bush, we need to configure these houses, which are pretty awesome looking. Point. Default. We need a distance from ground as well. Distance change between the from. We'll change BTWN to FRLN in my selection. Dang it. There we go. Oops, but I didn't do it right. Do a capital F. There we go. Alright. So now we can start adding these buildings in and making them into objects. So let's duplicate this bush. The world object, I'm gonna call it building. Building blue. The sprite is the blue house. Is the sprite a background prop? I guess so. I think blue house is gonna be its own sorting layer. Right? So this will be houses. Props houses background. Okay. Cool. Props houses background. The collider's different. 2.83. This is point. Zero is fine. It's whatever. Decent size. Houses. That looks cool. Okay. Nice. That house is so blue. There's like a little wreath on the door. Is that what that is? My music is loud right now. How do we turn you down? Yeah. That's better. Okay. Then we can take this building and put it in a prefab. Wall building blue. Original prefab. That building blue. So then we take another one. We do. This is the red one. Building red. And it's a red house. Oh, that's cute. Oh, so red. I like this Christmassy. Alright. So then alright, so we got the red building. So he's gonna be in the prefabs too. The original, and then we are going to duplicate again. This is the pharmacy. It's a small town with small things. Makes sense to me. Pharmacy has a different object in here. It's gonna be this one. Oh, look at that RX. Whoops. That's because of this. Okay. RX. Alright, so now the pharmacy is put into prefabs as well. It's an original. Okay. So now we've got 3 buildings. Right? Got a big mountain. There's the world. There's the world manager. Okay. World manager. Look at all this. That's why for adding a space there. There we go. Okay. Little red buildings, ground objects, trees, tree, ground objects, a bush. Okay. And the cats as well. The cat manager will spawn a cat in the world. Okay. So now this mountain looks legit. It's very Bob Ross in the way that it's shaded. It's a very rocky world. Rocky Valley. Okay. Okay. So how are we gonna build this? Distance between buildings. Let's see here. We're at what? This is -6 and this is -2. So minimum of 2. The world manager is a minimum of minimum of 4. Sorry, this between buildings 4. The minimum. And then there we go. Now it's readable. Perfect. She's sending me stuff right now. Okay. Only sent me mountains. Are they different mountains? Are these mountains different or normal? Are they the same?
One is just slightly darker.
Okay, so a mountain and a slightly darker mountain. Got it. Mountains. Backgrounds. Are these supposed to be the mountains that are replacing the other mountains? I think so. Okay. Mountain. Darker Mountain. I can see that the color difference is a little bit different. I see it. I see it. Yo, what's up, Chris? How's it going? How you doing? Hey, did you hear about this game? The where is it? The Closing Shift. Did you hear about this? It's supposed to be a horror game, but you're a barista in a coffee shop. Seems interesting. I'm assuming because you're a girl barista in a coffee shop, you're probably dealing with from Chile, yeah. Probably dealing with stalkers, I would assume. It did relatively well. It's probably stalker based. They make so many horror games, it's crazy. They must have so many people working on stuff, or they have. It might be similar to that company that Anderson Kev worked with that one time. Anderson Kev did that. He was working with a company where they paid him a fixed income monthly, and he could just release games as much as he wants. A two-person team. They have like 20 games, right? No way. Chill's Art is a... Jeez, man. That's a two-person team. I mean, they've had some trash games, though, haven't they? Mostly negative. 2 siblings. Jeez, man. 21... Oh, plus 4 have been excluded. The convenience store, the bathhouse, night delivery. Interesting. Everyone starts somewhere. True that. True that. That's awesome. Honestly, not a bad company to study if you're going to be making horror games. The scores have only gotten better. I've heard that their music... Oh, you mean scores like review scores. Yeah, well, that's good too. I've heard their music is actually fantastic too. But they're pumping games out like crazy, aren't they? Sort by release date. September, August, June. They put 3 games out back to back. Wow. And all those games did pretty well. 80%, 80%, 70%, 74%. They did pretty well. Tiki. Dang. It's wild. Okay. We are doing mountains now. Let's go into the mountain. And we'll do darker mountains. No. Stop it. Darker mountain and slightly darker mountain. Where's the other one at? There it is. Darker mountain, slightly darker mountain. 16 point. Okay. So now if I try to grab this guy and I drop darker mountain onto here. Oh, he's tiny. Aww. I'd prefer to do 1 per year, 2 years. I can do high fidelity art, probably some higher. Good to pay attention to all the indies that are doing well. Yeah, no, for sure. For sure. Hello. Is this mountain supposed to be this big? The size of the house?
Poop. No. Sorry, I'm gonna make that bigger.
Okay, because I can boost that. But you tell me if you like it or not.
Let's try it.
It's a little jaggy, but it's been boosted. You can click on my channel on the top of there, and you'll be able to see it bigger.
It's a little janky, but I don't mind it too bad.
Okay. I mean, yeah, it'll be behind that filter anyway. I can make this filter darker so you can hide it.
Yeah.
You
That's kind of the whole point of
can
like
really
a
hide
random
it.
mountain.
So.
I guess we'll see how it looks when we start playing, and then if it's too annoying.
Yeah, that's fair. Okay, so this is the big mountain. This is dark. Okay. Look, some of those things have too much between them. Yeah, that's either they're just literally dropping, they're reusing assets over and over again, which is important if they're popping games out that fast, or they just crazy. They might just be crazy, and they might just not sleep. You know. Big mountain dark and big mountain darker. Okay. Boop. Oh, it's the smallest little difference. Okay. And so you're saying if we did like this. Oh, that looks nice like that. I guess we can flip it also. Look at that. Would you just look at it? Alright. Sure, they probably got some reusable stuff in there for sure. Oh yeah, I would if I was making that many games. Absolutely. Can you re-export me the mountain without the black outline?
Yes.
Thank you. Probably be reusing the settings system I've been working on for this project. Yeah, I mean, I use my options system from Life and Debt and Chronicle, like, in everything. Who does on call? Oh, that's my my fiance, EnchantedBrews. You can follow her here. She's not live right now because she's in the other room on the laptop, but she is that video up there. Chris said hi.
Hey, Chris.
All right. What is going on?
Sorry, my hair is awkward. I have no idea what I'm doing on here.
You making it work. That's the important part. Oh, can you X out a little green thing at the top of your Discord? Messing with the stuff. Thanks. You're the best. Oh, that's your ghosty. I love your ghosty. What a great emote. You still have your woe? I'm assuming you still have your woe. I don't have it. I need it. I'm gonna need that woe again. Can I sub? Please and thank you. Oh, how do you get the game developer icon? I want that. Chat appearance. I don't know. Probably should get new emotes. I love that woe. That's so good. How do you get your little game developer icon, the SNES controller? That's so awesome. Look at how I get a few months ago. Shoot, I suck. What a terrible friend. Shoot. I should get an award for worst friend. Okay. Whoops. Alright, so these mountains, I like them. I think we're gonna pick for them to be randomly backward or forward too. Register an organization on Twitch. It should be in chat settings. I have registered an organization on Twitch. Where is it? How do I get started? Visit Twitch developer console. Okay, that's dev.twitch.tv, I'm pretty sure. Dev.twitch.tv. I think it's this. Log in with Twitch. Okay. Okay. And Zenvad. Why did it not let me log in? What is this? Okay. Your console. Okay. How do I switch to Static City? Static City Games. Okay. Visit Twitch icon. Let's manage organizations under your organizations. Manage organizations. Me. KA. Then what? Developer badge is on. It's on. Okay. And Zenvat. So I should have it? Test. Nope. How do I do this? Oh. Chat appearance. Would it be my chat appearance? No. It's not that. In chat settings, yeah. Switch to non-mod. Set fonts and font size. Better Twitch TV settings. Emote attribution? What I just click on? Huh. That's neat. Which part of chat settings does this go? Pause chat scroll only. I'm gonna figure this out. I have to go over here instead of in. Maybe it's because I'm sitting in there. Maybe I need to go here. Maybe I need to go here. And then that's a good face. Look at that face. Alright. And then we go to chat settings. And then it's not chat appearance. Not that. I will find you. Not filtering. I don't know. Thank you for the new mountains. Much appreciated. Sprites, backgrounds. Oh, you called it New Mountain. Okay. Background underscore mountain. There we go. Fixed. Yeah, it's nicer. I like that. I just want to have that. Just want it. Hmm. Delete messages, pause chat. New chatter intro. It's chat appearance, isn't it? No? How do I show my chat info? There's a way to do that. I know there's a way to do that. Press the icon on the left of your text box. This? Oh, this one. Identity. Duh. Thank goodness. We figured it out. 67 months. Whew! Yay. Cool. Alright, we did it. Go team. Or go Chris. It wasn't even me. Thank you. Better than the 2020 Amsterdam that we didn't go to. That's so cool. Alright, how are we going to build this? So how far? The mountains can be, honestly, I'd say no more than 1.5 away. What's up, Mike? How you doing, man? Ludum Dare's going good. Ludum Dare's going real good. So we say mountains are 1.5 away. Mountains are -2. You read some pasta? Sounds good, man. No, yeah, Ludum Dare's going good, man. It's going real good. Here's what we have so far. Ready? So, this came unplugged. I'm on. Oh my god, I hate this. Okay. Alright. Finally got the controller working. Alright. So, you can fly around as a UFO. You can shoot. You can shoot to kill enemies, and you can beam kitties up to harvest them. If you run out of juice, you are overheating, and you are unable to stuff like that. If you hit any of these items, any of these foreground objects, you will take damage. Look a lot more put together than yours, and you're doing compo. Might not sleep tonight. Oh no, compos due what, tomorrow at 6? Oof. So this is the game. How you doing, Zemek? Good to see you, buddy. So the game is going to be to fly around and harvest as many cats as possible. Wrap up mechanics in the next few hours and going hard on music and art. Sick. That's awesome. Compo is always too stressful for me. I can't do that. Like, if I didn't have kids, it'd be so much easier, but I don't have it. I don't have it in me to do it. Like, at all.
Can you take a look at the size of the little oval guy I made?
I see him.
What do you think? Should it
That's
be
probably
bigger?
perfect. Yeah, I think that's good.
I just don't know if it should be bigger.
No, it's probably fine.
Okay. Sounds good.
All right. So, we have the mountains. We have some stuff in the world. bush, a tree. Oh, we need 2 different bushes, right? Do we have the second bush? Did you give me art for 2 bushes? I think so. Why is Quirky downstairs? Okay. Maybe to take him outside. Be right back, guys. You can still watch. Here, I'll make her stream bigger. There you go. Be right back. Alright, we're back, guys. That's what I think it was like there before. Thanks. Yeah, no, it's a multi-stream with my fiance. She's not live on her stream right now, but you can follow her, and when she goes live, I exist somewhere in there. Oh, wait, being called by the kids. Be right back again. What's up, Winter? Alright, we're back again. Alright. So, why does Ludum always run without me knowing? I mean, that's part of possibly a you problem, isn't it? I would maybe put it on your calendar. I can even give you the next. I think I can give you the next couple ones that are on here too. There you go. Put it in your calendar. April 28th, September 29th. There you go. Oh, they have the new 3-week deadline too. The extra version. Solo team, mostly from scratch, opting out of graphics or audio if they're not yours. As few remain as you need. No score at the end, but you get feedback if you submit early. Get feedback. 3-week deadline. Wow, that's cool. Unfortunately, not sad. You're working on a portfolio project. Ooh, what is that gonna be? I like your UFO. Okay. So, we have a second bush. This is a bush of berries. And then we have the regular bush. Multiplayer hide and seek. So secret neighbor or Witchet? Is that Witchet or secret neighbor? Do I have Witchet? Witchtastic? No. I thought I had Witchet. But secret neighbor. What is prop hunt? What's prop hunt? Prop hunt 2.0. Like Witchet. Okay. Oh. Yeah, it's literally. This is like Call of Duty, or no, this is like Counter-Strike meets a prop game. That's pretty funny, man. It had to have been a mod for, like a Half-Life mod. But yeah, Witchet was great. Also, your levels past me, because I don't know multiplayer at all. Alright, so this is just bush. Bush. It's a new sprite. Regular bush. Alright. Oh no. More like original prop hunt. Prop night is a mix between prop hunt and Dead. Wait, what's DVD? Dead by Daylight? Yeah. You want to add to your list that you can make the berries much brighter in the berry bush.
Will do. How much bright? Like obnoxiously bright?
Like at least like 26 brighter.
26?
Yeah, 26, but not 31 too much.
Okay, no more than 26. All right,
Yeah,
I got you.
Yeah. Okay. So this bush. Bush one. Bush berries. Bush. Okay. So now the world manager gets a berry bush and a regular bush. Has a tree. It has 3 buildings. Doesn't have any background objects yet. We're gonna fix that right now. She's streaming? This was co-stream thing on Twitch? No, she's not. She's on Discord video. She's on Discord video and she's in my living room. Or our living room. We live together. I promise. She's real. Okay. No, you can follow her for when she does go live. Because she goes live on this computer and plays games and streams and does art and stuff. She's relatively new to Twitch, but she's pretty awesome.
Okay, I've played one game and I was not good at it. And I really need to find games that I'm much better at. Besides unpacking, because I feel like I just keep playing unpacking over and over and over.
You played Little Misfortune.
Oh, that's okay. I liked Little Misfortune. I don't like the one that I actually played on stream, the Frambo. Wow.
Yeah, Frambo is a hard game.
I don't know that it was just hard. It was just kind of, I don't know. I wasn't that into it. I tried.
That's fair. Yeah, okay, cool. I changed the push to talk so I don't have to unmute every time. Might try Dinkum. Pretty chill and much better Animal Crossing. Okay. Let me add it to the wish list. Oh, it's Australian Animal Crossing. This is cute. Corey, this is something you would play, right?
Yeah, I would totally play that, actually. Oh, that's really cute.
It's multiplayer too. So you get to grow an Australian farm. Do what are those giant spiders that they have? Do they come out of nowhere? Huntsman?
Oh, like the hunter, whatever.
Yeah, the huntsman spiders. Where they appear inside your in your pull down mirror in your car. They just fall down to your lap, no big deal.
Ew, that's not a thing.
Australia has like 30 different ways to kill you.
I still need to get you to watch A Million Ways to Die in the West. It's one of the best movies.
Yeah, I haven't seen that. There are tons of bugs and some are indeed hostile. Australia is scary. For sure. Mad scary, bro.
I know they get like, what is it? Snakes in their toilet.
In their toilets?
Yeah.
That's it. Never going to the bathroom in Australia. Can't do it. Or I'll always stand. Even for number 2. I'll do what women do in the bathroom when they hover.
Yep, that's why women do so many squats. We gotta know how to hover.
Makes sense. Australia's a whole different planet? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Alright, so... Background objects. Mountain. Other mountain. The toilet spiders are friendly. That's what they want you to think. The toilet spiders are friendly. That's how they get people to live there. That's how they get immigrants. Don't worry, our toilet spiders are friendly. I live in a country where there are basically no dangerous animals. Well, that's pretty awesome. Winter problems bite. We live in a country where things can literally just kill you all the time. America's terrifying. Including natural disasters and all that fun stuff. I think it's a great alien spaceship. Okay, how are we gonna get this world manager to even spawn? I have no idea. So we're gonna put a trigger. But what is this trigger that we're gonna put? How am I gonna do this? Okay, I have an idea. We'll do a running number. So right X spawn index. We'll do a left X spawn index. Okay. And then as you fly, we need a list of spawned objects so we can run through it. Maybe. I think I do. List of game objects. List of transforms. Spawned objects. Maybe. What'd you say?
I think it needs an outline or something.
The player should have an outline, yeah, absolutely. Give it a white outline.
Just totally white.
Totally white. And if you don't like it, we'll make it black.
Okay.
But it's at nighttime, so maybe it should be white or have a glowiness to it.
Oh, that's true. What kind of night sky do you want?
Night.
The night kind?
Yeah, the nightest of night kinds.
Okay. You know, I fully understand why artists get a little frustrated.
Why is that?
Not that I'm an artist by any means, but when I say, which color do you want? I don't know. What kind of this do you want? I don't know. That kind? What kind of night scene do you want? Night.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Mike, exactly. The kind that is dark.
Like,
Now, Mike's also a 3D artist as well. I've worked with him before. And I guess he knows how difficult I am with this as well. He's like, what do you want me to do? I'm like, I don't know. Just run through with it.
well, my condolences to any artist who has ever worked with my wonderful fiance.
I don't know. You'll figure it out. That's so true. Okay. So we need a spawn object, right, at a location. So it'd be vector 2 position, right? Then what we do is actually what we do here is we do the amount of movement horizontal. So we can do fire stats movement. Okay. Public float X to spawn left and X to spawn right. Is that how I want to do it? I have no idea. Okay. So X to spawn left and X to spawn right is gonna be it's always going to be in fixed update after we process movement. Right? We will do X to spawn left. Is going to be currently working with Unity's UI toolkit as well as Unity netcode. Going to be a handful. Ooh, that train wreck emote is sick. Who's that from? J&H Train. Johnny and Heidi. Time for me to put glasses on if I couldn't see that. Ah, I can see now. Ah, okay. J&H Wreck. J&H Train. I like those a lot. Those are cool emotes. Cooler than my emotes, man. My only good emote that I have is probably the spider butt. Or the crass W or the crass nice. Oh, honestly, the evil penguin is pretty great too. That's an amazing one, to be fair. Okay. So this is going to be transform position X minus, yeah, minus 5. X to spawn right minus plus 5. Right? If we cross these values, so then we do world manager check to spawn. X to spawn left, X to spawn right. Okay. Such a shame detailed emotes can be barely seen, such as the spider. Yes. Yes. That spider butt. The spider butt is iconic to Nightfall, and by far one of the best memes of this channel from 5 years ago. Wow. Question, do you want to add like a blue blinky light guy that goes around the widest part of that UFO? And maybe also on the top, like a little blinky blue thingy?
Blue blinky, bluey thingy?
Yeah. Do you need me to draw it?
No, I don't know.
Here it goes. Ready? Show me your UFO again. Okay. So you have a nipple. Okay. Alright, so.
That's a dome, sir.
You couldn't be more right. It's a nose. Okay, so if we have so like in the middle, the widest part right here, right? And there's like a blue circly dudes around it. Right? Yeah, no, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Or, wait for it.
Waiting.
Or blue lines, or like a blue, so it's like teeth. Blue teeth. Okay.
What is that?
Make me laugh. Hold on. Okay. Blue lines, and then we like color in one of them, and then that one gets animated and goes this way. That way, it looks like it's spinning. And then we can put it on the sombrero at the top too. Okay.
Lord, I love you. Oh my.
Ziggin, how you doing? Good to see you.
Okay. Yep.
So are you following?
Oh no, I follow.
Okay.
Yep. I'm
It
right
needs
there.
to be more. The UFO is great. It just needs blue. Is that right? Am I right on that? I can hear her laughing in the other room. I tried, man. I tried. That's hard. That's hard. Alright, so. The blue blicky things can be programmed by you. Shh. No, I can't. Holy, why so loud? Calm down a little bit. Somebody asked you to be loud. Okay. So then we check the spawn left and right. So then what that checks to spawn, right? So we have a spawn object, so we would check the spawn, which would be at a couple of square rectangles with the UFO transform. Listen. It'll look better if it's built into it, okay? It'll look more pixely, which is pixelness and stuff. Okay. Check the spawn. Float, left side. Float, right side. Okay. So here we have to iterate through all spawned objects. Spawned objects. You know what? We're gonna do a reverse for loop. Spawned objects dot count. Okay. If left side. Wait, okay, so that's all spawned objects. We now need to check to see if any of them, so it'd be if spawned objects, you can do it, spawned objects I dot transform dot position dot x is less than left side. No. Yes. Then we are going to continue. If Copilot's allowed in Ludum Dare? Yeah, I'm sure it is. I've used ChatGPT so far to write a reflect system for me when you bounce into the walls. For when you flat just yeet into a wall in this. Hold on, I have to save things. 1 second. Okay. Yeah, so when you when you hit a wall, I use ChatGPT to write a reflect system so that so it actually bounces correctly. Like, I didn't have that built in. I had no idea how to do that. Yeah. Love it. Love it. I was like, I don't know how this works. No idea. Okay, so back to this. Spawned objects. Okay, alright, so if there is any, alright, we need to do 2 bools here, right? So we need a bool for objects left, false, bool objects right, and then let's see here. How do I want to do this? I only want to check this. Do I want to check this every frame? What am I checking here? You know what? I see. I don't know what I was doing. Okay, so we're gonna fix that. And that's gonna be if left side is less than index, left index, then we're gonna spawn an object at, and we have to spawn an object, which is gonna be a disaster, which is gonna be left left side. No idea. Say left side 0. I have no idea how this is gonna work. Made a game about harvesting spaceships. Having no idea, thought of the same thing. Nice. Now in this game, also Calango Lavado Studio. Cool name. This game, you are the spaceship, and you're harvesting cats. Because why not? I didn't know if there were going to be that many people about harvesting things in space and stuff. But you are harvesting cats, and I believe the enemies that are trying to stop you are crazy cat ladies and... what was the other thing? Crazy cat ladies and... I don't know what the last one was. But the theme is harvest. Yeah. So there's going to be a lot of Dinkum style, Animal Crossing, Stardew Valley style games. Honest Dan's one is really cool. They're doing a match 3 on a big harvest crop circle. But that's a neat idea. Alright, so we do this, and then we can do if right side is greater than right spawn x. You probably have to fix that link. I don't know how to. I'm not gonna. LDJ.am. It's a little weird, dude. You know that Ludum Dare. You know that Ludum. That LDJam is like LDJam.com, right? Look, we have to block that. Curious if you can even see it like that. Is there a way to do that? No. I think you meant to do it like this. And you meant to put 319, 460. I meant to do that, but not Hyper Harvest, so I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'll try to fix this for you. No, it didn't work. Yeah, I don't know. Your link is weird, bro. I probably would have made a game where the player's death and goes around harvesting souls. Oh, I said that there was gonna be someone doing that, didn't I? It would have been Mike. Would have been Mike. Your work's very good. Congratulations. Thank you. Much appreciated. What a nice guy. We're just trying to do stuff. That's it. Alright, so if we do this, we spawn this, then left spawn X equals left side, right? Same thing if we do this, right spawn X equals right side. This might spawn way too many things. Okay, so we spawn an object, right? So, first, so we have to have 4 different versions of this. Right, we have to do spawned objects building. That looks cool. I like that. You know, I would appreciate if you're making the noises on voice too.
Pew pew. Pew 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 pew. Pew pew pew.
Yeah, that's absolutely how this has to work. You're recording all the voices and all the sounds. Look, you even got an alien emote in chat. Backgrounds. Okay. Have you made a 3D game? I don't think I've ever seen a 3D game on your stream. I am currently working on a 3D project that is a massive city. I am a freelancer on it. I've never made a 3D game as Static City Games, but I'm freelancing on a huge 16 square kilometer 3D map on a battle royale game right now. But I'm just doing level design. But it's fun. I'm not a 3D modeler, so I have no right in my mind to be like, yeah, let's 3D model. I have no right at all. Like, nothing. All right, so let's see here. Let's do a loop. Let's do a reverse loop. So, spawn buildings. Okay. So you're gonna run spawn buildings. So if spawn buildings dot spawn buildings I dot transform. Now already transformed. Dot position dot x. I've taken a leap into freelancing and or professional programming. Still a hobbyist. Yeah. I did a little thing in 2023. Yeah. The most of my money made last year was freelancing. You're gonna make the cat super long? That's gonna be a long cat, right? Ugh. Like when you pick Leo up and he's like real droopy. Alright, so spawn object building I position X is less than position full right side. Okay. Okay. Spawn object this way. False. Spawn object this way. True. Okay. Noise. Okay. So now, so I can do if left side, if not right side, right? Then we can bring this in this way, like this. Right? We can do is the position.x. Okay. Are we less than position.x and at least? Yeah, that was the contract I was on. Those are 2 contracts. And then the one-on-one right now is, I think, on that list as well. Life and Death Chronicle. Yeah, this is ongoing. The contract is still paying out more. Yeah. As a 40-hour-a-week contract. A little bit of work. A lot of bit of work. But it's fun. So I'll keep doing it, I guess. Alright, so position X is less than position X and the distance. Wait. So we need the transform furthest left building equals default. Okay. Smart Future is my first freelance? No. It was not my first freelance. It was my first freelance of the year. My first freelance was that vampire game. It was my first freelance gig. That was... Most of that money was paid in 2021. That was 35, I think. We're still finishing that up. Always bid high. It's literally my only thing that's the biggest thing that I learned is always bid high. As if you bid high and they go, sounds good, man, you did well. But if you bid high and they go, we can't do that, can we do this? And then it's still higher than what you expected. Right? Let them bring the price down, not you. I think Smart Futures, I originally bidded $100 an hour. Which is the disgusting amount of money. Nobody should make $100 an hour, but if they do, it's awesome. Like, you know? So this is this. If this is this, and spawned buildings I.position.x is less than furthest left building .position.x, then furthest left building equals spawned I. Okay. Right? So now after we figured out which one is the furthest left, right? Sounds good. Easy, Mike. Alright. So furthest left building default. I spawn this guy. So I check the current spawn buildings, and I look to see if its position is less than the... This is the marker. So I shouldn't call it position, just call it marker. So marker. You hate CSS right now? Truly wish it was simple as 1, 2, 3? I bet you ChatGPT could do it for you. I bet you ChatGPT could figure it out for you, no problem. Because I had to do one time that was, I had to write me a top bar with slide outs or whatever the heck I said. And it's like, yeah, sure, here you go. Where's this thing? Copilot? Well, ChatGPT is completely free also. It was this. Write HTML code for a top menu bar that has a sliding animation. It's like, alright, sounds good. Here you go. It was like, nice. That's so sick. Alright, so if it's less than the current one, it's now the furthest left building, right? So now I can say, based on OpenAI, so it should be pretty much the same except for more programming oriented. Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't know that. I never used it. So now we have the furthest left building, right? So we can go like this. We can go if furthest left is not equal to default, then we'll instantiate an object. So then we'll do world object WO equals instantiate. And we will instantiate a random building. So we need to do buildings at random.range from 0 to buildings dot get component. Wait, are they prefabs? They're prefabs. I don't need to do anything here. I just need to. Oh yeah, I need to do. Oh, I can instantiate it and I can just drop it in a spot, right? Okay. It's gonna be put at transform parent. Not a big deal yet. You know what? It's right. Yeah. In object go equals this. The transform parent is going to be the world manager. So this dot transform dot parent. Okay. Go dot transform position equals furthest left building minus new vector 2 of buildings, distance between buildings. Oh, it needs to be a random number. So random.range between distance between buildings times 0.9 and distance between buildings times 1.75. Right? Okay. And then this is going to be distance from, so instead of distance between, distance from building for the object. It mistook USS for CSS? Whoops. That's funny. New vector 2. Oh. Okay. Got it. Vector 2. Okay. Got it. So we're taking the current most left, and we are taking a vector 2 between buildings of this, And then we should be able to change the marker. Left X spawn index, right? So left X spawn index equals go at transform position X. Did it work? Is the question, right? Spawn object. Left side, check the spawn. Fixed update. X to spawn left, X to spawn right. X to spawn left is always going to be -5. Okay, okay. See what happens. Left index. Left X spawn index. Left X spawn. Hold on a second. So left X spawn is left side. I see. Nope. Okay. This could not spawn anything, there's a chance, right? It needs to go through and sort the buildings that exist already. So we need world object types. So we need new. Oh, this is getting complicated. It's getting real complicated. Oh, man. All because we want this to be fancy. World object types. So, logic types is an enumeration. Whoa, calm down. Now this. We're gonna do none. We're gonna do building. What else? What else? Non-building, we have background, we have, what are the other types? Bushes, trees, foreground props, foreground, is that everything? I think so. Then world objects get one of these now. So let's do that. Type. Cool. That way on in start, it can add itself to the group. Right? So we can do add to group. This. That way it adds itself. I don't have to worry about parsing anything or anything like that. Nothing crazy. Add the group. World object. OJ. Okay. Switch. OJ.type. All right. Nothing for none. Nothing for default. Okay. Now we can do building.add. Oops. Not buildings. spawn object buildings. Dot add the obj. Dot transform. Okay. OBJ's background. OBJ's trees. What's the last one? OBJ's ground. Okay. So then I can now do this. It now adds the information in based on what everything is. This should work. This should work. So let's see. So we have a tree. We're actually just going to go in the prefabs and do it this way. Okay. Mountains are both world objects, but I don't see them as world objects. They're world objects, but they do not hurt. They cannot be lifted. Cool. They are both background. The buildings are building. The bushes are foreground. And the tree is a tree. Okay. All right. So now I should be able to see the closest bushes, right? This should spawn one for me. Should is the key phrase. Stop it. Ow. Okay. It's not spawning anything. I was supposed to spawn in the world manager, right? World manager. Where is it? There you are. So we have 3 spawn buildings. And the correct distance player X to spawn 858. Just pretty far away. Down there. Right? Spawn object. Left side false. Left side is the index. It's a spawn object. Left building. X and X is. Oh, X is greater than? Hold on. Position X, marker X. Right? So if the spawn building is what the heck is that noise? So the spawn building. Okay. Do this. Well, how about let me like put something there. The spawn building X is negative 2.18. Right? And spawn building X, so 2.18 is that less than the marker? The marker's negative 8. So is that breaking because it's null? We go like this.
What do you think of the sky?
Looks good. I like that. I like the stars in it and stuff. That's nice.
Do you want me to change anything?
Nah.
Okay.
He looks good.
Awesome. Because I'm getting tired. Oh, goodness.
Yeah. Errors. Oh. What's the error? Where's the compiler at? Guys, give me a 2-minute break. Alright, we're back. Okay, so the issue here, spawn object, full right side. We should call this maybe spawn building. No. Yeah, we should be checking. Spawn object should give us 4 different spawns, so we should be able to do a spawn. So spawn building, which would be spawned at our furthest left building, so it'd be a transform furthest left. Oh, it would be transform new building, new position, new something. Right? And then this is going to go in here. And we just call spawn building. Spawn building becomes this guy minus this guy. Distance from buildings. That guy. Okay. Yeah? Now convert from vector to transform. So vector 2 it is then. So then this becomes new position. Okay. Alright, so now, where are we struggling here? We're struggling at this spot, right? Else. Okay. My way, what's up? How you doing? Okay, so if we furthest left can't I figure this out? Okay. We have a furthest left building, which is null. So it's not equal to null. Do stuff, right? So it's not going to be null because it can't be null. But this part, I don't like this part, right? So if this position is less than marker X, there won't be any buildings less than marker X. That won't be a thing. This needs to be less than. So, okay. All right. If furthest left is equal to null, then furthest left equals spawned buildings I. Right? Writing on the script, Aliens vs. Cast of Revenge right now? You would. You would. But you know what? I still think it's awesome. Look at that night sky. There's a night sky if I ever saw one. I guess it'll be in their backgrounds. Yeah, this will be in their backgrounds. Oh, the UFO. He's so cute. I like that it's called Spaceship. That's what I... Maybe we should call the game that. That's a good idea for the game name. Spaceship for the game name? Yes?
Wait, like spaceship twice?
Yeah, that's what you called this this sprite. You called it Spaceship. I kinda love it. What do you think? Yeah, EnchantedBrews, yep. EnchantedBrews is the fiance's channel. She's not live right now, she's in the other room, but she is live on Discord, so she's still live by transitive property. Okay. Stream within a stream within a stream within a stream. Okay. So if this building position is less than furthest left position X, then we found the new position. So then we would spawn it to the side. It can't be null here, but that's fine. Okay. Mega cool, right? Mega cool. So now if we're spawning the object and we're spawning it in the building, and we spawn the building, it might just work. Also, can't wait to put the UFO on. I'm so excited. Let's see. Yeah, it's doing it. Look at those buildings coming in. They're a little close. They are a little bit close, and that's okay. We need more of them. But why is it so close? Spawn building. Building position minus this. Is that because shouldn't it have spawned more buildings? I don't understand. Okay. So what if I went like this? Right, like that. This just kind of started out. Does that mean that they will not spawn in? Maybe. That means the distance is too close. He is too close. He's too close. Let's see. He needs to be at... Oh, axis spawn left and right. Wait, that's updates, doesn't it? I think it does. I think so. Yeah, 5, -5. Okay, it needs to go further. We need to be at 10. Not 5. Buildings. These one. -10. Okay. Okay. Now, if we get that working, that means we have the spawn system working, and that means that we will be able to go through and build the rest of the road, which is really cool. Almost. Stop it. Almost. It needs to be like 14.
Alright, I am officially done for the night.
Ooh.
I'm so tired for no reason.
Is this a new berry bush?
Yeah, should
Right
be.
by 27. I asked for 26. This is not...
No, you didn't. It was definitely 27.
We have to go back and do an instant replay, don't we?
Stop. Was it really 26? I thought I was being such a smartass.
Yeah, it was 26.
Dang it.
I thought I was being a smartass.
Didn't work out.
Mistakes were made, and it's alright.
Oh, stop it. Okay.
It looks good.
Better?
Yeah, he looks good.
Ew, get that janky old tree out of there.
No, he stays.
No.
Not until you give me a better tree.
I did.
Oh, wait, hold on. Let me fix the tree then. Did you?
Oh, I could have sworn I did.
Hold on. There's the only tree I have.
Oh.
Well, this is how big that... This is 4 times the size. The tree's actually this big.
Stop.
He's so little. He's a real boy. So now he's this big.
Oh my god. Okay.
Until you give me something to not swallow it up, he's gonna be this swole. Alright, so.
Okay, yeah. I'll give you the rest later.
Sounds good.
Okay. Peace out.
Okay, bye. There we go. All right. So we have this working. So if I get rid of these, right? Let's say we get rid of those. Is it just gonna build them? Because that'd be cool. Holy moly, it does. Stop. Okay. Oh my god, it's just building it. It's so cool. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to build these buildings. Wait, how far did I make this? 14? Yeah, 14 is fine. No, let's do 17. And then we will build left and right also for the buildings. So this is if not right side, else do this thing. I'm just gonna call this furthest building instead of furthest left building. That's silly. Okay. This building. Okay. This is if it's on the right. Furthest building to the right. Spawn building. If this is, so we do if not right side, do this. Else. Stop it. Else. This. Here. Plus. Okay. Build that city. Like rock and roll or something. However that works. Does it build? Ah, it does.
We built this city on.
No, we built it in rock and roll. Look at this city. You tell me it's not built. Pew, pew. Pew, 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 pew.
Are you gonna put my new spaceship in there?
No, not right now. I was been building cities. Now I'm gonna put the spaceship in.
On rock and roll.
I was trying to build on rock and roll. It wasn't letting me. Everyone's saying hi to you.
Oh. Hi. I am real.
She's just much shorter, so she doesn't really fit when the standing desk is here.
Oh my gosh, I don't. I am not that much shorter. My bun's really high. I need a higher bun.
There you go. Look at Cindy Lou Who bun. Eric, what's up, dude? How you doing? Glad to see you still living the dream? Yeah, having a blast. Alright. This is the UFO. Spaceship. I think that's the name of the game. Spaceship.
You're just saying the mushroom, but spaceship?
Spaceship. Mushroom. Why is he so tiny? Oh, I'll fix that. Wait, I know why he's tiny. Did you give him a gun?
No, I didn't.
It's okay. He's gonna be okay without the gun too.
Is the beam gonna be blue? Like
Be whatever you want it to be.
tractor beam?
The tractor beam. Be whatever you want it to be. Imagination. Like this. Like
I
that.
can never do all of this.
Which part?
Coding everything.
Oh. It's pretty fun though.
I don't think I have the attention span for that.
I'm surprised I do.
Honestly, yeah.
Oh, he's cute. Cute.
Oh.
So then we have the animation. Have the blue animate.
Wow, you made that city with blue houses, sir.
You only gave me 3 houses. There's no limited choices.
I gave you the apartment.
I don't have the apartment yet.
Oh my god, did I just make a bunch of stuff and not send it to you?
Yes. Oh, an apartment.
Oh, really?
Oh, a tree.
It's right there. Wow. Look at you.
Oh, look, a tree. Where is that in? Here? Tree.
Tree.
No, this is an apartment. House. APT. Tree. This is the new tree. Tree. Yes. What?
Whoa. Why is that so big?
Guys, look like extra fast right now to impress you.
Yeah,
Is it working?
actually.
I'm programming for 7 years in C# at least. It's awesome. Programming's fun. See, it's working, guys. This is how you get the women. You click really fast on the Unity screen. It works.
Not exactly.
You can come back every day for crass advice on how to pick up women. It seemed to work for me. What is happening to this tree?
Why are you killing my tree?
I'm not trying to. Why is it so little?
This is not little. This is a big tree.
I suppose.
How
Alright.
big do you want this tree?
I don't know, but I gotta fix the collider now. Look at this thing. I think you're a dick. Did you do this on purpose?
I did not.
Did you draw a dick on purpose?
I did not. That's a funny looking dick.
Is that TOS?
What is TOS?
Terms of service?
Oh, stop.
Is that breaking terms of service?
Stop.
Remove the collider and reapply it? Yes, sir. As you wish, sir. No, I'm going to edit that collider.
Why wouldn't you just make a new one?
Because I'm already almost done.
Is this one of those things where it takes just as long?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Does it take just as long?
Yep. It's done. He's a collider. Okay. Override. Boop. Alright, so we have the tree in. We don't have the apartment in. The apartment is easy. Call you an apartment. It should automatically adjust it. It's no, because the sprite is a child of the object, so it will not work the way you want it to. Unfortunately.
Pina collider.
You have a pina collider. And then this goes here. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so now.
That's a big apartment building.
I'm saying. Original prefab. Okay. So we have to fix a couple things. Need to go this way. Needs a bigger collider, and then I have to change the pivot for this guy. Pivot. This one. No. This. Pivot. Custom. Hey! That was pretty good. How long is the run for? Is it 48 hours? There's a 48-hour version, a 72-hour version, and a 3-week version. We're doing the 72-hour one because we're not ridiculous.
There's a 3-week one.
Yeah, it's called the Extra Comp.
Okay.
3-week deadline, solo or team, mostly from scratch. Take as few or as many days as you need. No score at the end, but you get feedback if you submit early. It's new. Yeah, it's a neat one. It's for the laid-back people who just want to make a game console, basically. But I go hard, so. Alright, so now we have that building as well. Right, so now we have 4 buildings. I'm gonna put it in the World Manager. This guy. Make a plan. Does it work? Does it
Is that like
work?
an old man place? What
Yes,
is that?
it does. Just look at that.
Can Jen look at it?
We can create even more variation by having them every once in a while. Whoops.
Okay.
Having them every once in a while flip. Oh, this is great. This is great.
What do you mean having them flip?
Having them flip on their x-axis. So when there's a 50% chance of them spawning a certain direction. So let's do go.transform.local scale equals a new vector 3, and this is going to be random.value is greater than 50%, 1, otherwise -1. Boop. Now they have a chance of flipping backward.
Backward?
Backward. It might work, and it might just completely be a dumpster fire. It's a chance we're willing to take. Oh look, they're flipped.
Pepper found the cats. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, the cats in this might need to be brightened up a bit somehow. I like the green eyes here. Yeah. Okay. So this looks good though.
Okay.
I like how they sometimes flip. Oh, this one's gonna be a disaster for flipping. That's a problem.
Sir. Sir.
You just want to give that a capsule instead?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Where's all the cats?
I don't have cats spawning yet. I only have buildings spawning. I only have 2 cats in the game.
You're supposed to be harvesting cats, not buildings.
Well, the world was required.
True.
Last part that is supposed to hold a GPU is arriving soon. Sweet. That's gonna be awesome. So spawn building is done. That was all for spawn building, and then we're gonna do it again for everything else. And everything is based on this stuff. Cool. All right, guys. Thanks so much for hanging out today. Much appreciated. You guys are awesome. Look, it's us. Thanks for being awesome. Thanks for being cool. If you want to follow this person.
Forget my name.
No. She's EnchantedBrews. I didn't forget her name. You can give her a follow over there. She's 33, has coffee, and likes animals. So let's go raid somebody to see who's live on the internet doing Ludum Dare stuff. Who's making a game right now?
Is there anyone else doing aliens?
One person who randomly came in the stream.
Really?
He said he said it was harvesting against aliens or something.
Oh, I saw that.
This guy.
The spaceships.
Yeah, but I think we're gonna call her against Spaceship. I think it's a great name for it.
I think it's funny.
Let's go over to Epic Witch Academy RPG. Well, nobody is doing Ludum Dare.
What?
No way. Ludum Dare. Ludum Dare. Jitspo is. Alright, we're gonna go over there. Jitspo's a cool dude. I see him on TikTok all the time. With the curly mustache.
His mustache is amazing.
I know. We're gonna raid Jitspo. He's actually a fantastic TikTok marketer. Also, his mustache totally gets some views. Let's go raid him. He's an awesome dude, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great rest of your Saturday.
Yeah, it's Saturday.
Peace out, guys.